Are you frustrated with the space in your place? Tired of feeling your space just doesn't serve you well anymore? No worries, we've got a solution for you. Give your life and your environment more space with the free 5-day Create More Space in Your Place challenge. Join 4 home improvement industry leaders as they share their expertise in creating more space in your place that works best for you. And most importantly, friends don't let friends do challenges alone, so invite your friends to share this awesome 5-day live event, October 24th through the 28th. So register now for the free 5-day Create More Space in Your Place challenge. Starts October 24th at 2 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. We'll see you on the inside.